With your original eyes block, the XPX block can be a little bit tricky to get the panel off of the back. So Alphacool includes a little leverage pry bar, plastic pry bar, to allow you to get into the edge here and kind of pry up around the edge and jam this plastic into the slot and run it all the way around, and then separate the block. So once you hear it pop, then you know you're in business. The one side has slowly started to work its way off, and you just continue to follow your way around the block. After you get to a certain point, it should just completely separate. The plastic logo is also interchangeable for your different variety of colors. Be sure that the LED light wire does not get pinched in the wrong spot, since there is a channel and there are individual wire holders all the way around the side of the block.